Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money on the Cash App every day. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So basically, I found this cool app called Strimly, and they pay you to watch YouTube videos and Twitch streams and stuff like that. And you can actually get paid out in the Cash App or PayPal or gift cards. But I thought it was pretty funny that they had the option for Cash App payout. As you can see, guys, right here. When we go to Cash App, you can see that they have all these different amounts. You got $10, $20, $35, $50, $75. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this app because it's not in the App Store, and then I'm going to show you guys how to use it. All right, guys, so this is the Strimly app right here, and as you can see, guys, they have all these different pages: watch streams, watch YouTube clips. So when you watch streams, these are just Twitch streams. You watch it, you get a certain amount of coins. Same deal with the YouTube videos. So as you can see, they have watch YouTube clips, and then you just pick a clip, watch the clip, you're good. So anyways, guys, when you're ready to withdraw, you go to withdraw, and you got many settings, but I like Cash App. So you go to Cash App, and then you got withdraw address. You put that in, your amount and your points, withdraw, you press that, you're good. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this app. I want to show you my Cash App right here, just so you guys can see the proof that this actually works. As you can see, guys, when I open it up, you can see right here I got $520 in there. Pretty cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this app. So the website we're going to visit is their official page. It is called strimly.co. So let me just type it in. So it's strimly.co. So this is the website where you can get this Strimly app. You can start making money online. So when you're on this website, guys, you're going to see earn on Android, earn on iPhone. So you press the button that corresponds with what phone you got. And then as you can see, this is how it works. Advertise, pay for engagements. You do online activities. You earn points, and then you redeem them for PayPal and Cash Out money, guys. So it's pretty cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. You can see right here I made $520 with them recently, so that's cool. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. If you just don't want to work a job or whatever, you want to make some money on the Cash App per day, you can probably make like $50 a day easy with this thing, or at least $100 a day, because all you gotta do is watch these clips and then they'll pay you. So it's pretty crazy, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, get the word out. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out.